Recording. Blake, remote control boat.
We ran this thing in the lake. Oh. Water. Made it on the way. I'm not worrying about this thing sinking. Don't really touch the reverse, or water could get in the engine. Probably when I ran it earlier, the black thing was like turning another way. I'm not putting this thing over. Don't hit it. No, no, no. Turn around. Those are fast. I'm feeling the water. Went too fast.
You said the thing goes 35 miles an hour.
Of course. That's what I mean. I never done that before. This is a spot that I won't worry about. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared. That's it.
Hold on, let me get a close-up of the boat.